Okay student, so I will now do the question number 13. That is, if ax plus y plus z equals to 0, then we need to show x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3xyz. Now we already know this formula, that is x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3xyz plus x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Now I'll be doing this sum with the formula. So now let's start. According to the given equation, x plus y plus z equals 0. So I can easily now say that plus z cube equals to 3xyz plus this full entire x plus y plus z is now 0. So this entire term now becomes 0. So over here I will write 3xyz plus 0 into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus xz. Okay, 0 into anything is 0. So now x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3xyz plus 0 into anything is 0. Plus 0 is that same number only. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3xyz. Or I can also say that, okay, I have to only prove this one only. Or we can also say that x cube plus y cube plus z cube, and if I bring this in this side xyz minus xyz, because plus when comes this side becomes minus of equal to. So now is 0. So what we need to prove is this one. So therefore x cube plus this one y cube plus z cube equals to 3xyz, hence proved. Okay students. Okay, now question number 14. Without actually calculating the cubes, find the value of each of the following. First one is minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. Here I can say that a equals to minus 12, b equals to 7 and c equals 5. From the previous sum, we already know from this line that if x plus y plus z equals 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3xyz. Why will I use this formula? Because see, this is in how, as this is in the form of, see, x cube y cube z cube, so I have taken this formula. Now let's put the values. X means minus 12, minus 12 cube plus y means 7, so 7 cube plus z means 5 cube equals to 3xyz. Okay, so it will be equal to 3 into x is minus 12 into what is y. Now y is 5, so 12 into 3 minus 36 into 5 7 are 35, that is minus 36 into 35 is 1260. Okay students, so now let's go to the next one, this one. So what is there? 28 cube plus of minus 15 cube plus minus 13 cube. So over here A equals 28, B equals minus 15 and C equals minus 13. Why minus 15 and minus 13? Because see, inside it's minus 15 and minus 13. Okay. So now from the same formula, if x plus y plus z equals 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equals to 3xyz. So in place of x I will write 28 cube, y is minus 15 cube and z is minus 13 cube is equals to 3 into x into y into z. 3 into 28 into minus 15 into minus 13, and this gives me a result of which value equals to 16380. Why? Because see, y plus, because minus and minus becomes plus. And one more thing, that is this, we need to prove also this one, that x plus y plus z equals 0. So let's see, x is 28 plus y is minus 15 minus 13 equals 0. Okay.